Hey guys, let's check out how to zoom in and out in CapCut. Say, we want to zoom in and take a closer look at this cute puppy. The tool we will use is called keyframe. First, let's pick the starting point for zoom in. And add keyframe. You can see a diamond icon has been added to your video. Now let's pick the endpoint and add another keyframe. This time let's move the scale slide to scale up to the size you like. Let's check out how it looks. It's simple, right? Now we can do the same for zoom out effect. Pick a starting point and end point for zoom out. Add 2 keyframes. The keyframe for the endpoint scale will be reset to 100%. Here's how it looks. Zoom in and zoom out. If you want to zoom in and out quicker, you just need to move the endpoint keyframe closer to the starting point keyframe. Now what if after zoom in, the object you want to focus is moved out of the viewpoint? Let's see this example. After zoom in, the text box we want to focus is out of the viewpoint. What you can do is just drag the video frame like this. Let's also add zoom out keyframes. Now let's check out how it looks. That's it for today. See you next time.